Hey, before you press play tonight, let me stop you for a moment. The Smart Ultra soundbar is for the kind of person who notices when dialogue doesn't feel right, when sound feels disconnected from the screen, when the experience almost works but never fully lands. Before you settle in, check the current price and availability. This is one of those products where waiting doesn't usually work in your favor. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment you started riding the volume button. One scene too quiet, the next too loud. Voices getting lost under music. Action sounding busy instead of powerful. That's when you realize you've outgrown the phase of good enough. The first few days with this soundbar feel like relief. You stop adjusting. You stop leaning forward to catch dialogue. Voices sound natural and anchored, like they belong exactly where they are. Everything feels clearer without feeling forced. It's calm, confident sound that lets you relax into what you're watching. Movie nights feel more intentional. Atmos scenes add height and space without overwhelming the room. Binge watching becomes effortless because dialogue stays consistent episode after episode. Gaming feels tighter and more immersive, with sound cues that feel placed, not sprayed. Even everyday TV feels cleaner, like the noise has been stripped away. Once you experience this level of clarity, going back feels uncomfortable. You hear the mess immediately. And every time you consider a cheaper or simpler option, you remember how quickly the frustration used to creep in. If you're thinking about it at all, don't wait for those odd price jumps or sudden stock gaps that always seem to show up after hesitation. You might wonder if a single soundbar can really do this much. That doubt fades fast. The surprise benefit is how smart it feels. Dialogue adapts naturally. Sound balances itself without you micromanaging anything. It just works, whether you're watching late at night or filling the room. Owning this feels refined. You don't talk about specs. You notice how much less effort everything takes. There's pride in knowing your setup finally sounds composed, not patched together. Dialogue stays clear and natural. Sound fills the room without strain. Atmos adds space without chaos. Volume stays balanced scene to scene. Your TV finally sounds complete. It won't replace a full multi-speaker setup, and it's a premium choice. But those aren't flaws, they're boundaries it respects. At some point, you stop comparing endlessly. You choose the soundbar you already trusted would fix the problem, and you move on. Check the availability, trust the upgrade instinct you've been pushing aside, and don't let this become one of those decisions you keep delaying. Once the Smart Ultra soundbar is in your room, settling for messy sound won't feel like an option anymore.